What's up, guys? Welcome back to our quick video. This video, I kind of forgot about it, so I'm just quick editing it, turn it and upload it for today, Wednesday. I hope you enjoy it. This video is about the blue Axum when I first got it back, and when I originally installed the Bucklos fork that I had on the Taft. So I'm just gonna do like a quick setup and weigh in, weigh out, before and afterwards, see how it goes. And I don't know, this is even before I even took the decals off, and I'll show you a few stuff in there. So again, this video was lost. The file was, well, it wasn't lost, I just never got to it. And today I saw it, so, well, yesterday I saw it and started editing it. So, hope you like. Again, check the affiliate links in the description below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Other than that, I still have a few more things going on with the Axum way after this video, because we already saw the RockShox 35 fork that I installed after the Bucklos on this one. So let's get right into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Alex, Alex, and today, as you know, we got the blue Axum back, and I had told you that I had the old Bucklos fork that I had taken off the Taft, which is right here. Just gonna go ahead and install it. But before I do that, please go ahead and consider subscribing and turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so. If you want to support the channel, link down in the description. And other than that, let's go ahead and weigh this thing before we do this. Well, according to this, we're at 35.9, 16.28 kilos. Now we gotta remember that this is not completely stuck because I had to replace the bottom bracket. Everything else is stuck. And also the handlebars. I replaced bottom brackets, stem, handlebars, and I still have in there the old Fun headset. So all that we gotta do is swap the fork. Let's do that real quick. Well, I just noticed one thing. The steer tube on the Taft was way longer than on the Axum. Look at this thing right here. That's almost 1.5 inches right there. And that's with already 3 spacers at the bottom. So I might need to cut this up so that I can make it fit. I've just made a mark right here where I want to cut it. I'm just gonna go a hair below it. A lot of people don't like to cut it with the pipe cutters, but this is super easy, fast, and then you can just rim it off. Straight cut every time. Oh, you know what happened? You know what happened? Look at my star nut. I cut it off. Dumb. Let me put one on in. All right, so the swap is done. It looks good, but let me show you something. This bike was well ridden. I never put up any scratches on it, but now you can see a lot of scratches everywhere. Look over here, it's also peeling off. The bottom right there, that's a paint is going away right there. Also right there. So that kind of sucks. I don't know if this is from where he transported it, because I don't see any other way of that happening in there. Let's see what else we can see. Also more right here, kind of dirty. He also replaced the quick release because he said he broke it, but still have the same cranks, same group set, stock brake. Wheel seems to be true anyway, so that's a good thing. So what are my plans for this one? I actually do want to get like a brand name for it, like a RockShox or something like that from the market. If I can get it for the right price, I want to get a boost, so it'll be future proof. But we'll see whenever I can find one, and if it's the right price and things like that, I might go ahead and acquire. But other than that, I still have a few brand new parts that I can put on this bike, like hydraulic brakes that I haven't tested out on any of the other bikes, so I'm gonna be reviewing those as well. A group set and all that kind of good stuff. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't done so, turn the notification bell on. Other than that, I'm glad to have Blue Demon back. That's it for this one. See you on the trails. Goodbye.